Turns out there are different ways to lace different shoes. Did you know that? Especially the last one. Many people don't know about it. First, the dad shoes lacing method. Second, the canvas shoes lacing method. Third, the sneakers lacing method. Fourth, the Yeezy shoes lacing method. Fifth, the chunky shoes lacing method. Sixth, the white sneakers lacing method. If you didn't learn it, like and save it to watch later. Super practical knot tying methods. The last one is about to be lost. First, the trailer hitch knot. Second, the pipe coupling knot. Third, the human binding knot. Fourth, the greenhouse wind pressure knot. Fifth, the beverage bottle carrying knot. Sixth, the fabric corner knot. Seventh, the cross bucket lifting knot. If you haven't learned them, like and save. You'll definitely need them someday. Practical life tips. Learn to avoid losses. 1. My grandma's magic knot is very useful. Easily tie rice and flour bags, and open them in just a second. 2. Don't force open a soda can. Rotate the tab halfway, and it opens effortlessly. 3. After drinking beer for half a lifetime, I learned the can itself is a bottle opener. 4. Using a beer bottle to remove date pits is quick and easy. 5. Press the sauce pack with a lid. It squeezes out cleanly without mess. 6. Squeeze the air out of a half-filled cola bottle. Put the cap back on. Next time it tastes just as fresh. 7. If your pot overflows easily when boiling, place 2 chopsticks on the pot to prevent it. 8. If your fridge has odors, put tea leaves, white wine, and vinegar in a cup. Dilute with water. Place it in the fridge to eliminate odors. 9. If your fingers get stuck with super glue, sprinkle salt. Add a bit of vinegar. Gently rub your fingers to release them quickly. 10. If a ring is stuck, thread a needle through the ring. Wrap thread around your finger. Pull the thread and the ring will come off. Follow me for more tips. Cleaning secrets from professional cleaning companies. 1. Clothes tend to turn yellow over time. Add salt, laundry detergent, white vinegar, and white wine to water. Soak the yellowed clothes for 20 minutes. Gently rub the clothes. They will be clean immediately. After drying, they will be as white as new. 2. Clothes got stained. First, soak them in water. Add toothpaste, baking soda, and laundry detergent, and soak for 20 minutes. Gently rub the clothes to restore them to new condition. 3. Kids' uniforms often have ink stains. Here's a simple trick to remove them. Mix laundry detergent and alcohol in a 1:1 ratio. Stir well. Pour it on the ink stains. The ink will be immediately dissolved. Pat with your hands. Pour a little more. Gently rub and soak in warm water. Pour a little more. Continue to dissolve the remaining ink. Rub a few more times until clean. 4. Clothes stained with pen marks. Apply essential balm, toothpaste, laundry detergent, and warm water. Rub a few times and the marks will be removed easily. 5. Makeup stains. Use facial cleanser and toothpaste. Rub with cold water to remove. 6. Oil stains on clothes. Mix salt and dish soap. They will be clean immediately. 7. Moldy clothes. Mix toothpaste, laundry powder, salt, and white vinegar. Stir in warm water. Soak for 5 minutes. Rub a few times, and the clothes will be as clean as new. 8. Blood stains on clothes. Soak in cold water and rub with sulfur soap. Easily remove the stains. Follow me for daily life hack.
I didn't know I needed this so much. It comes with 2 small accessories. Put the strainer on top and it works like an oil filter bottle. It strains out all the residue, so your oil ends up crystal clear. You don't even need to transfer it to another container. Put the lid back on and let it cool off. If you want to fry some food, it can double as a deep fryer too. Place the frying basket in, fry your food, then lift it out and place it over the pot to drain the excess oil. This way, your food won't get all greasy.